Bianca Garibaldi and thousands of other Canadians have braved long lines and frigid weather as Omicron spreads both the virus and a sense of urgency across the country.
It's a little cold, but it's worth it to try to get a booster.
Our numbers are rising, our ICUs are filling up, and it is absolutely critical that we protect ourselves and each other.
As COVID case numbers rise, hospitalizations are edging upwards. But looking ahead, there are signs of better days to come. Omicron variant has indeed spread quickly and exponentially. The risk of overwhelming our healthcare system is real. However, as more Canadians contract Omicron and get over it, along with increased protection from booster vaccines, it could result in a wall of immunity that we have not produced up to now. This wave has risen faster than any other, but if it peaks then comes down, perhaps within weeks, the large waves of this pandemic could be more manageable, the virus eventually becoming endemic, something we live with like other viruses.
This will be the game changer. The concerns that we had before, that we have big waves that overwhelm the healthcare system, should not be there anymore, at least not to the same extent. Rather than waves, we will have ripples.
Omicron became dominant in Denmark before Christmas. Yet that country's chief epidemiologist now suggests the virus could subside there in 2 months. The economy faces another bruising winter, but some businesses are looking ahead. One U.S. airline is confident air travel will bounce back by this summer.
COVID is now endemic. We're getting better as a society at dealing with it, accepting it, and figuring out how to manage and live our lives safely.
This winter will be difficult. More restrictions, more illness, more deaths. But Omicron may be the right formula to see our way out of it.
By producing a mild disease with lower mortality, by being much more transmissible than other variants, thereby outcompeting them, it's moving itself into potentially becoming an endemic virus.
There is still reason to worry about new variants emerging. But as society's immunity builds naturally and with vaccines, there is reason for optimism too. Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.